Stay with us as we delve into these common pitfalls and how you can avoid them. The first common mistake rookies make is not having a clear investment goal. It's like setting out on a journey without a destination. You'll drive around aimlessly, burn fuel, and ultimately get nowhere. When it comes to investing, this translates to wasting time, energy, and money on investments that don't align with your financial aspirations. A clear goal acts as a compass, helping you navigate the vast ocean of investment opportunities, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or just growing your wealth. Having a clear goal gives your investment journey direction and purpose. Without a goal, you're likely to fall prey to poor investment decisions, such as chasing hot tips or getting swayed by market hype. You might also end up with an overly risky or conservative portfolio that doesn't serve your financial needs. Therefore, always start with a clear goal in mind. It's the first step towards successful investing.